So hey guys, what's up? This is Karan here, back with a new video, and you're welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. Yesterday I've just posted a new video regarding MIUI 12 GSI, which you can install right now on your device to experience the new OS from Xiaomi official. But if you are not able to install that GSI, or if you're getting any errors or whatever else you have problems, in this video I'll show you that how you can install that GSI. I have my Redmi Note 8, so I will install this GSI right now ahead of you. Make sure you watch this video till the end to understand everything. Let's get started now. Okay, so as I already shown you, these are the two files which you need. First one is MIUI AQ4Z Android 10 port ROM file. Second one is the zip file MIUI AB10. This is the AB partition image GSI file which you need. You need both of these files. And how to install those? First of all, you have to boot into custom recovery. That's the main thing. You must have a custom recovery installed. I am using my Redmi Note 8 and I have installed Orange Fox custom recovery. It's recommended for you to install Orange Fox custom recovery. But if you have installed any other custom recovery, that's not a big thing. You can try out if you want to. So whenever we booted into this Orange Fox custom recovery, first of all, we have to just decrypt our data if our data is not decrypted yet. So let me try. So just decrypt your data once, and once you have decrypted, now what you have to do is wait. We have to go to wipe section. Okay, just wait, and Dalvik catch system vendor data. All the 5 things you have to select there, swipe to wipe as expected. These are the main things and basic things you need to know. And after wiping all these things, we have to go to select our storage. It's better to put those files in your SD card, because in this process your data will be wiped up and your internal storage will be wiped up. So make sure you have a proper backup. So it's better to use SD card. So first of all, what we need is we have to flash this file MIUI AQ4Z@ginkgo.zip. We have to swipe to install first. So let us wait for the installation, and let me come back to you very soon. So here it is. As you can see, we have just installed. This one is a zip file, the ROM file which we have to install it, and as you can see, it is installed. Now what we have to do is we have to go to menu, we have to go to manage partition, select data, select this, and click on format data YES. We have to format data. It is compulsory. You have to follow all my steps in this video. If you have any problems, you can comment below. I'll try to help you with that one too. So data format completed. After that, we have to reboot to recovery once. So let me reboot back to recovery. As you can see, it is booting into custom recovery again, Orange Fox recovery project. And we are booting into this custom recovery as we are booted now. Now what we have to do is we have to select that file, rooms and files. Sorry, wait. Here it is, MIUI AB10, the latest build of Irfan GSI.img. We have to select this system image from here, swipe to install image, and then you can see flashing system image. This is how it would be installed. And now we are installing MIUI 12 GSI on our device. This process is for Redmi Note 8 and also for all other devices too. But the thing is, GSI is same. This is for all the AB partition supported Project Rebel devices. But the ROM which I just installed previously before installing this GSI was, you have to select for your device. This one was for only Ginkgo Redmi Note 8, but if you have any other device, select the ROM which is based on Android 10 for your device. Just use that and then install this GSI. If you don't know how to install GSI, there are a lot of tutorials available on the Google. You can check out any tutorial from that and you can follow any tutorial. But the installation of MIUI 12 GSI is pretty simple. As you can see, it is installing, and after installing we don't have to do anything. We simply have to reboot system and we will be booted into MIUI 12. Don't worry, I will install ahead of you and I'll show you that after booting how will it look like. So let us wait and let me check out how much time it will take, and after that I'll come back to you very soon. So as you can see, it is installed properly, successfully, everything is done. We don't have to do anything, simply click on reboot system and everything is done, nothing else. And just wait for you to properly boot your device. As you can see, logo is there. If you are stuck at logo, don't worry, this will take around up to 2 minutes. If it is stuck at logo, don't worry about that, you will be booted very soon. You just have to wait for some time. I'll show you, just wait for some time, it will boot again, so don't worry, it is rebooting. But we will be booted into MIUI 12 very soon. I'll show you by whenever it opens the boot animation, I'll show you that, and it will be stuck at boot logo for that time. And here it is, Redmi by Xiaomi, powered by Android. As you can see, it is booting. We are booting into MIUI 12 operating system. So let us wait and let me come back to you whenever it is booted. So just stay tuned and let's check out how much time it will take. Here it is, guys, finally we are booted into MIUI 12 on our Redmi Note 8. As you can see, it will show you this type of pop-up or warning. Just click on OK and we are finally booted into MIUI 12. Just click on OK. It will ask you to set up your language first. We will check out with English and let us wait. We have to connect our Wi-Fi network, and these are a lot of things, basic things. If you want to try out, you can try out here. And I've already made a video on this ROM, on this GSI already. If you have not checked that, you can go and try out. The link is in description. Just go and head over there, and everything is same. As you can see, new privacy, click on next and OK. Sign into your Mi account. You can skip right now if you want to, like me. Click on OK, skip. It will ask for your fingerprint and only screen lock. Skip this once now, skip for once and OK. You have two new themes available, classic or limitless. Let's try with classic. Click on OK. Let's try with buttons. Click on OK, and setup completed. You're ready to rock. Everything is done, as you can see. And yes, finally we are booted into MIUI 12, and you can see this new control center here, which looks pretty much cool. And I have already made a video on this review, so just go and check out there, and installation is already made by me. So this was all from today's video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like this and share this with others too. So goodbye, see you in the next video very soon.